Hello everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate how to do a veneer using the greater curve technique. The veneer prep is tooth number 9, and as you can see it includes a 2 millimeter incisal reduction. For this case I have selected the U-band. I will explain later why I chose it. The U-band has extra length so that it can accommodate larger teeth. Number 9, being a more narrow tooth, set the matrix up by guesstimating the circumference. This will prevent or limit the need for excessive turning of the retainer screw when tightening. The tails are bent down out of the way. Greater curve U-band is placed. I have chosen a contra-angle retainer because the handle of the contra-angle slants away from the surrounding teeth. Notice how the U-band has additional flare, which increases both the visibility and access. Also note the excellent seal around the entirety of the prep. To further secure the setup, I am using Megabyte from Denmat. Megabyte sets up very hard. It has little give. In order to enhance visibility and access further, the labial portion of the U-band is cut away. In this case, I'm using a thin carbide. Diamond burrs can also do the job. Sometimes it helps to reduce the height of the matrix on the lingual side. After preparing the tooth with whatever system you choose, the tooth is ready for composite placement. I prefer the snowplow technique. A thin layer of flowable is placed on the surface of the tooth and the composite is pushed into the flowable. Number 1, this method reduces capturing bubbles at the margin. 2, the matrix provides a seal against contamination. 3, the matrix forms the interproximal borders, which saves time. 4, the matrix reduces the stress of trying to hand shape the interproximal composite. Composite is like cured. Note how easily the Megabyte is to remove. Matrix is teased out from the interproximal. Veneer is now ready for cutback and shaping. finished veneer, well, at least almost. Just wait and see. Should any interproximal flash or shaping need be done, I modify a number 12 blade by rounding the tip. This prevents inadvertent gouging. A side note, modifying the number 12 tip is also an excellent way to remove flash from imperfect interproximal contours. To get a view of the interproximal, tooth has been removed from the typodont. Note how the matrix formed a highly polished composite at the margin. Also, note no voids captured. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, leave in the comment section.